Okay, so I'm about to blow your ever-loving mind. What is this, you ask? This is a London broil. Look at that. That absolutely looks delicious. Now, here is why this is so special. I kind of made a deal with some guys that I was going to start cooking a little bit with Young Living essential oils. And I know that you may think that's crazy. I thought it was crazy until I made a salad yesterday with a lavender balsamic vinaigrette that absolutely rocked my world. Now, this steak that you're looking at is pretty healthy, pretty lean as far as steak goes. You're talking about 180 calories for a 4-ounce serving. At least that's what it said whenever I looked it up on Google. So it's really lean, and if you cook it just right, it will absolutely be super, super tender. Now, you can see I cooked this to kind of between a medium and a medium rare, which is right about how I like it. But the most important thing is the seasoning. This is what's going to blow your mind, okay? Here we go on the seasoning. Seasoning started with just a little bit of salt and pepper on the steak, both sides. And then I took 1/8 of a cup of extra virgin olive oil. Then I took another 1/8 of a cup, let's see if I can get this right, of Mr. P's marinade. And let me just say, you can't beat Mr. P's. I just went the other way, sorry. You can't beat Mr. P's. Let me just say that, you can't. So, then we took, the olive oil, Mr. P's, then we took some Young Living lavender, because lavender, surprisingly enough, really pairs well with red meat, with steak. So 5 drops of that, just a little bit, I mean, less than, I would say, even maybe like a tablespoon. This is a local store balsamic vinegar. And then just a little bit, probably another tablespoon or so of spicy mustard. You just whisk all that up and pour it on top. And let me be honest with you. Let me just tell you, just straight up right now, I think it would make a better steak sauce than it did a marinade. Now, I haven't tasted this yet. I'm fixing to right now. Yeah, that blows my mind. Oh my gosh, that is actually really good. Really tender, really flavorful, good on calories, really good on calories actually, and you can't beat it. So tomorrow, I'm coming to you with the salad that I promised Les, manly salad. I don't really know how that's going to work, but it's going to be awesome, and it's at least going to be great because, you know, you got this on top of it. So, you know, prepare to have your culinary minds blown. Bye, guys.